In this video, I want to show you how to create motivational videos using AI step by step. Let's get channels like Motivation to Study has more than 4.6 million subscribers. The most popular video has 21 million views, and you can see it has gained more than 375 million views since it started uploading on YouTube. Another channel, Absolute Motivation, has gained more than 1.5 million subscribers, and the most popular video has 161 million views, and you can see it has 156 million views since it started uploading on YouTube. Now let's check whether these channels are monetizable on YouTube. You can see Absolute Motivation makes more than $800K per month. Okay, and this other channel called Motivation to Study, just paste the link there. We are using such updates. Motivation to Study, you can see every growth, the step. Just scroll down and see what it makes per month, and you can see per year it makes more than 138K per year. Now let me show you how to create these videos. To create the videos, you need to head over to ChatGPT. Either you paste the motivation video you have in mind, or story you have in mind, or you ask ChatGPT to give you one. As for me, you can see I have one here, and now I have the prompt to create the images and the videos. So I'm first of all going to create the images. You must start with the images and then the videos. Okay, so let me paste in the first prompt and head over to Pigment AI. I use Pigment AI a lot to create my images. So you are given 10 credits per day to create 10 images. Create one image. Okay, just click on create, and then you paste in their app. You can see you are supposed to describe what you want, paste in the prompt you want, and click on settings, and remember to set it at view1, and then remember to set aspect ratio and how many images you want, and click on send, and give Pigment AI some second to generate the best image for you. I like this AI because it gives me what I want, and you can see the image we are given here is good according to aspect ratio and according to my video or my storytelling motivation video is fine. So head over back and click on the download arrow. The one has the download arrow there, and download and save the image on your device. The image is saved on your device directly. So we are going to repeat this for all of our images, or the whole scene, all the images we are supposed to generate. We should copy the prompt and generate the images. Okay, so let's scroll down or scroll up and paste in the prompt of the second scene, where they say failure and rejection. This story is very interesting. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because you know how much this motivation story carries a lot. Okay, now come here again and paste in the prompt there. The aspect ratio and everything is set as it was. You can see it is fine. Click on done and click on generate, and it will be generated. Okay, if you have watched this video so far, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so that you can support me, guys, to go on creating videos for you and educating you more about AI. And you can see our second image have been generated, and click on the image, and you can see the image is fine, and I love the image. Just click on download and download the image and save it on your device. Okay, now let me head over back to ChatGPT and copy the third prompt. You can see here is where that prompt is, and that prompt has two scenes. So let's first of all copy the first one. After copying the first one, you just need to go back to Pigment AI and generate our image. So you need to do this even if you have 20 or 50 scenes. You need to repeat this. So to create all these images, you need to combine a lot of AI or free AI tools that can generate images for free for you. As you can see, Pigment AI does not have any watermark. It is just free like that. Okay, and that's why I love it. There are other more. I will cover them on my next video, so remember to subscribe so that you cannot miss out. Okay, you can see we are going on generating our image. Our third image is generated and it's fine. Okay, now head over back to ChatGPT and let's copy our second prompt for the third scene. Okay, was it for the third or the second? Yeah, the third scene, the second prompt of the third scene. copy it and go back to Precommand AI and paste and generate the images. It's that simple. I like showing you all the process so that you cannot stuck somewhere when generating your own videos. You shall follow my videos and you can generate something that you can post somewhere and get some feedback of some results about it. Okay, you can see now the image is generated and it's fine, and these image are realistic and I like them. You can see each and every image the man generated there, or the man generated by Precommand AI, looks the same as the one from the first scene, the second scene. That's why I love Precommand AI. Okay, you can see now. Let's paste our fourth prompt. You can see I have copied it there and just wait for it to generate. It takes some seconds. I love Precommand AI because it's very fast. Some of them takes maybe 10 seconds to just generate one image. That's why using them takes or consumes a lot of time. You can see this is amazing. It is stunning. I love it. Now let's head over back to ChatGPT again and copy our fifth and last prompt. Okay, I made this a short motivation video, but for you should create long if you want for a long YouTube video, or if it's a short form or a short video on YouTube, it's fine. Okay, now you can see me creating the last image for the last scene. You just follow this and I think you understand everything I'm teaching you, because you cannot find this anywhere else. It's just here on Jeddy Studio. So remember to like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. I liked it. And also comment. You can just ask me any question. I will be there to answer you. And now you can see now our last prompt is created, or our last image is generated. And let's head over back to the next step. The next step is to generate the videos using the images we generated. And to do that, we are going to use Pick+ AI. I also like Pick+ AI because it is quick and it generates images that looks good, or videos that are good. You can see now you just click on create, that arrow there that has a plus. You can see upload your image and click on our image and choose the image you want to animate. Click on it, and after that you need to paste in here the image you used to create the prompt you used to create the image is the same prompt you're going to use to create the video. Okay, just paste the prompt there. Paste the prompt there and click on create. And click on create, and you're going to use 20 credits, and Pick+ AI gives you 60 credits per day. So the rest ones I will use another animator or another app that can animate the image for me. Okay, you can see now you need just click on plus icon there and we animate our second image. Click on upload your images, or upload your image. Choose the image you want. Now is for the second scene. Yeah, choose it. After choosing on the image there, you can see it will be uploaded directly, and then just paste the prompt. And as I said earlier, you should use the same prompt you use to generate the image as the same prompt to use to generate the videos. Okay, if you don't do that, you're going just to develop something bad, or the result will not be that good. Okay, now let's paste in the prompt there and click on send and wait for Pick+ AI to generate the video for us. I said it is very quick. You can see we already have the first video ready, and this is our second one is being generated now. Let's now generate the third one. Upload the image again. Choose the image. Click on choose, and then click on paste the prompt there where it says imagine something about this image. So just paste in there. After pasting it there, you need to click on create, and you can see now the first, the second, the third one is 95% being generated. Let's click on the first one and we see what Pick+ AI gave us, and it's just loading. You can see it gave us a good video. It is fine. And click on download and download it as MP4. Click on download and click on MP4. Yeah, and this video will be directly saved on your device, but it will have a watermark. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'll show you how to remove the watermark. Okay, I'm going to show you how to remove the watermark. So like this video again and again, like this video. I will remind you Now let's click on our third video. You can see it is very good. I like this. I liked it. And just click on download and download it as MP4 with watermark, of course. I will show you how to remove the watermark as I said earlier. Now let's click on our third video. Go back and click on our third video. And you can see also the third video is good and I like it. Okay. Now what you need to do is just download and save it there. So for the rest, I will use a different image or animator, and it is called Digen app. I'm going to show you how to use Digen app. Okay, I have it on my last video, but let me show you how to use it. Just click on Digen. After clicking on Digen is good and to give you a lot of credits for free, and the credits add themselves each and every day. If you don't use, they are going to be added to the ones you did not use yesterday. So I like that. You can see this the app. It is called Digen. You just download it on your device using Play Store. You can see now click on create. After clicking on create, you need to come here. It is somehow slow, but it's fine. Even generating the videos, it takes more than 10 minutes, but if it is free, it is fine. Click on the aspect ratio you want and click on crop, and give it some second to crop the image for you. After cropping it, you need to click to change the image because this is not what you want to use. Click there and choose the image you want to use. I said this is called Digen app. Head over to Play Store and choose on, or click on search for Digen app and install it on your device. Okay, you can see now this is the image I want to use. So click on the image and give it some second until it will be 100% uploaded. You can see it is 100% uploaded. Now the next thing is to paste in the prompt as we did there on Picverse AI. You just need to paste in the prompt you use to generate the image also. Okay, click on that and then click on the tick on the left. Click on the tick on the left or the right, I don't know, and then click on generate video. I have two generating videos by now, and they have not been aligned yet. They are just in the queue. That's why I told you this takes more than 10 minutes, but it's good and it is free, and it gives you 90 credits per day, and they add up themselves. They don't refresh. They just add up themselves each and every day, even if you don't use them. Okay. As you can see, these videos, two videos are waiting, and now after the one will be generated, I just click on generate the third one. And that is how I will generate the things of my last images. Now let's head over to the last step or the next step. The next step is to generate the audio for this motivational video or story. Just click on or choose where you have. You can, mine is on ChatGPT. Just paste it or copy it and head over to minimax.io. I'm going to use it to generate my audio. It is free. It gives you 10,000 credits per day, and one credit is 1 word. You can see you can generate 500 characters per each and every time. And you can see when I pasted mine there, it is for 17 characters. So it will give you 10,000. That is enough for a free plan. Now I need to cut the parts I don't want, the scene, the second, whatever. I need to count them down because they will make the audio not to be good. Okay, I don't want them to be included on my audio. Guys, remember to give this video a like. Remember to subscribe. Okay, remember to support this girl, and one day she'll just come here and say it's my time, it's me, and all that. I will appreciate a lot. And I know the far we have gone is just by you. I could not be able to do it by myself, but I'm grateful about it. But let's keep on moving. Let's keep on moving. After doing that, you need now to choose the audio you want to use. Just click create a decent gentle voice. Click you want an English audio. Yes, you can see there is captivating storytelling. I will choose that, or choose man with deep voice, whatever you think is good for you. First of all, listen to the audio, and if you feel it's good for you, just click on this icon that looks as if there are two arrows there. Yes, that one. And now click on generate, and give it allowed 1 minute 30 seconds to generate the audio for you. And after, as it starts generating, the audio starts playing, okay? But you cannot hear it because I've muted it here. But that is what it will do for you when you are generating using this. You can use other text to image or text to audio generator like 11 Labs and all the others, but for me I like minimax.io because it is good. Okay, now you can see the audio is still being generated. Guys, remember to give this video a like. I love it. I've given you 1 second to like this video for me. Okay, as you can see now, it is almost complete. You can see now it is fine. You can see it has didn't degenerate, so the video is fine. Click on that looks like a wash and click on download. You can see here is what, click on download and you can see it have been downloaded and saved on your device. Now the next step is to combine the videos and the audio. To do that, you are going to use InShot editor app, or you can use CapCut on any editor app of your choice. Just add in the videos one by one, starting from the first to the last. Remember to arrange them well. You can see those are mine. I have 6 videos. Click on add them and click on that, and then click on audio and add the music there. Add the music. Click on my music and select the audio you downloaded and click on use. After doing that, you need now to do away with this watermark as I promised. You just click on that and then click on the use your 2 fingers to upscale like that. Okay, do this for all the scenes. Just upscale using your 2 fingers and that you will be done with it. Okay, now guys, I will leave you listening to the what I created because I created something awesome, and I also trust that you're going to support me in this journey because I cannot be able to support myself or to succeed by myself. I need you guys to help me do that. You can see I'm still doing away with these watermarks because remember, no one who likes a watermark in her video or his video. Okay, I'll leave you listening to that video I created, and I love you guys, and that is enough for today. Let's meet in the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.
He failed many times. He was rejected again and again. People laughed at him. But deep inside, he refused to quit. Every morning, he woke up early. He worked harder than anyone else. He kept learning, kept moving, kept believing. And finally, his moment came. He rose to the top, and the world stood in awe. Don't quit. Your time will come.